Presenting the next benchmark in the long collaboration between engineer and driver. The all-new 2022 Subaru BRZ. The Subaru BRZ was pure sports car driving, but could it become even more pure? With an even lower center of gravity. Even more powerful with a new 2.4-liter Subaru Boxer engine. Improved torque. More horsepower. Could it become even more poised, with torsional stiffness increased 50%? Grip improved with Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires on 18-inch wheels. A more aggressive track mode. Presenting the all-new 2022 Subaru BRZ. The near-perfect weight distribution provides amazing balance. The experience wraps itself around the driver. Engages every sense. The interior is all new, oriented around the driver.
This thing turns on a dime. It's like driving with a razor blade. As a racing driver, I want to feel like I'm in control of the car. I feel very connected here. You know, I feel like a surgeon in this thing. I can put this car anywhere I want on the racetrack. Oh, that's nice. I think the grip comes through a combination of the overall stiffness increase and the sport tires. This sounds mean. Oh, yeah. So that added horsepower is nice. I think we're sitting at like 228 now, 184 foot-pounds of torque, which is plenty for this car because she doesn't weigh anything at all. I like that the power band feels a bit better than the first-gen BRZ as well. Like that, this mid-range feels a little sportier. In general, I gotta say, like, just the feeling of the car, like where the steering wheel is positioned, the brake pedal is like in a perfect spot to heel and toe. The position of the gear is correct. And that's nice. So like when we go around a real high-speed left-hand corner, for example, sometimes shifting into third gear can be tough, but this gate is super precise. The seating position being super low, you feel connected to the car. And if you're gonna drive this thing around a track in anger, it's nice to have that feeling. When you go into the track mode, the super amazing RPM dash is straight out of a race car. Oh, I haven't done that since I was a teenager. All right, now let's see if we can't drift this thing a little bit. She feels like a little beast. I've driven tons of supercars that drive like total because they're so stiff to try to hold all that weight up, they just skip across the track. Whereas this car here, it's stiff, but it doesn't feel stiff like it's stiff from the suspension. It's stiff because it's built well and it's low to the ground, and that's what makes this car cornerstone.